Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. This will help me grow my channel and I'll be adding more content that'll be helping you later in the future. So let's get started. So we'll be doing ceiling and floor in this video. So to find what the ceiling is basically a round up with the significant or the multiple of whatever we want. So here, if you want a ceiling of 35, uh, we can add a number that will be multiple of that. So it'll be round this number to multiple of whatever we want. So if we want to make this a multiple of 5, we want to round it up to multiple of 5, so this will become 40. If you want to round it up to multiple of 3, then it will become 36. So ceiling is basically whatever is the next multiple of the number that we want. So to find this, we'll do equal to ceiling, and then let's select the column is E2, and then comma. So now we add the significant. So if we add 5 here, then it will round it up to 40. If we add 3, it will round it up to 36. So let's hit that and then hit tab. So you see, it is rounding it up to the next multiple, which is 5. So here, this is rounding up to 40, this is 23, and the next multiple of 5 after 23 is 25. Here, 9.99, the next multiple of 5 is 10, and 77.2, so the next multiple is 80. Okay, and if you want to do it by 3, so instead of 5, we do 3. So now do this, and now it is doing 3. So it is finding whatever the next multiple is of that number after that number. So for this is 36 now. For the third one is 24. For the fourth one is 12, and for the fifth one is 78. Now floor is completely opposite of this. So this ceiling kind of finds you the next number, but floor find you the previous number. So here, if you want to do the multiple of 3, we'll do floor E2 and then 3. So this will find 33. See, this one is 33 because the previous number that is multiple of 3 of this number is 33. The previous number for 23.5 that is multiple of 3 is 21. And for the number 4, the previous number that's multiple of 3 is 9. And then for number 5, the previous number that's multiple of 3 is 75. We can also change that here. So if we do that for 5, we can do that. So it will show whatever the next multiple number is. So multiple of this, the previous multiple, like the one that's below this is 35. For this is 20. For this is 5, and for this is 75. This could be very helpful if you're trying to round a number to a specific number, a specific multiple. So, for example, if you want to round it up the next number to uh, 10 or 5 or 3 or 2 or whatever, it can be very helpful in there. This is all for this presentation. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get more so you can get notifications.